We're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, checking out a brand new hotel, The Compass. It's only been open since November. It still has the new paint smell to it. Let's take a tour of a king family suite and see if it's worth it. This might be my new favorite hotel in the area. We're also going to tour the property in just a little bit, but first, the room. We're actually going to start from the master bedroom and work our way back to the main entrance here. This isn't windows. I looked, it's just a giant curtain, but our view is actually really nice. We're looking out towards the parkway. There's Gorilla Taco, and the Inn at Christmas Place is right down there, and the island is right over there, but it's a lovely mountain view, I'd say. Here's the king bed. And I love how the Margaritaville's doing this. They got the lights with the USB and the actual plugs on it. This one's got two regular plugs, a USB-A and a USB-C on it. That's impressive, and it's on both sides with lovely tables. And there's a nice seating area over here with a island view, and each room has its own thermostat, which is nice. But I just want to spin around here real fast and get set back for a second to enjoy this giant bookshelf thing and this huge I don't know, 50-inch TV maybe, but it's got a nice dresser and a nice closet right here, really nice closet. And then there's a Chrissy in the doorway that's not included. You come out into the hall, and we have a little wet bar area with a Keurig and a sink. And there's the mini fridge is right down there too. Everything is really well appointed. And then right next to that, they actually have a little dining area here that you can sit at and eat breakfast and watch some TV. Check your fit before you leave too. But this bathroom, I thought I liked the other Margaritaville's bathroom, but man, this one is real nice and real deep. It's hard to get perspective of how long this actually is, but there's a separate tub, just a regular soaking tub over there, your towels, and there's where your safe is. And they have the hand wash and moisturizer there, but they also have the bar if you prefer that. I like the mirrors. It's really pretty. And then I just want to say the shower head here, the rainfall thing is freaking huge. That might be the most huge rainfall head that I've ever seen. But they actually have that in that one. And they have the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And it looks like it's handicap accessible too. It's not roll in though. There is a little lip there, but there is a place to put your foot up, shave or whatever. Yeah, this is a really nice shower. And look at this, your throne is right here too, right next to the cool seaplane picture. I like that. Anyway, coming back out in the hall, that's the master, the sweet mirror, the table to sit at and enjoy. And then this is the main entrance, but right off the main entry is the kids' room. They got two twin beds in here. How's the comfort level? Would you assess the comfort level?
It's really good.
It's really good. And the kids have their own TV and dresser in here too, so it's a nice option. I like it. So first impressions of this room, really beautiful. I love it. I'm a little bummed it doesn't have a balcony that we can go out onto, but the space in here is enormous and it's not really going to matter. We're only here for one night, but this is a lovely hotel and breakfast is included. I mean, it's kind of like the Inn at Christmas Place where your breakfast is included. So that's awesome. But anyway, let's go take a tour of the actual property itself and see what it's like downstairs. Let's go. I would like to point out on each floor, they don't have microwaves in the room, our room, but they have ice water and microwaves. So in the hall here, the elevators have a cool mountain, you're in the Smoky Mountains, because you are, but
in the elevator.
It's in the elevator. There's our cart we use to get our luggage up to the room. Starting off at the main entrance here, they have a lovely, actually this is a pretty huge gift shop with lots of shirts. I really like this one with the bear on it right here. $28. Pretty comparable to what the one was in Gatlinburg. They also have toys and cups and look, they have a pool floaty for your phone because they have a pretty nice pool complex here. Check that out in a minute. But I feel like this has a better grab and go section than the Margaritaville in Gatlinburg. They got lots of different chips. They got microwave dinners, ice cream, a nice selection of beverages, some more chips and things like that. And then some more Margaritaville Compass merch. And I mean, of course, the frozen concoction machine, because you know you need that. Every Margaritaville's got to have also like the compass in the floor when you come in here. Okay, spinning around from the front desk, there's some wayfinding. Elevators, restrooms, and restaurant are this way. Also, they have like this little refreshment stand here where they have like, currently they have sweet vanilla cake out with some fruit water. I imagine they have different things and like appetizers throughout the day. That'll be nice. Some wayfinding. There's the gift shop, and just spinning this way, walking towards the other side of the hotel, they have this lovely sitting area, and there's Gorilla Tacos right out there. We might try that later, but they have like a meeting room if you're going to do like a conference or whatever here. But man, this is some nice seating down here. Nice large seating area, and right behind that is they have like a little classic arcade and pinball machine, some foosball, and what's this like thing right here where you like scooch the things? I don't know what it's called, but lots of bars have that nowadays. And they even have like board games over there and a nice TV to watch the game. This is a nice little lobby they have going on here. I even like the roof, how it's like the wood and it's like kind of vaulted. That's neat. The front desk is right there. We were just right there in the sitting area. Now we just keep going around. We find the breakfast room. So this is where they have the free breakfast every day, which is right next to their 5 o'clock somewhere bar and grill. And then this is a bar and lounge. You can get some bar food, burgers and whatnot here. But it's really cool. It's right off the pools right up there. But they got lots of seating in here, so that's nice. Okay, from the 5 o'clock somewhere bar, we're just going to spin back around like we're going to the front desk, but not quite. And this is out towards the pool area. We'll go out there, check that out. I'm not going to record at the pool if there's people in it because I don't want to record people. But this is another lovely seating area over here. Just keep spinning around. We get to the elevators, and right past the elevators is actually how you get out to the pool area. There's actually the indoor pool too. Go check out the indoor pool. They have a really nice sized fitness area here, kind of like bigger than the other Margaritavilles. They got quite a selection of weights. Lots of a couple treadmills, elliptical, and a weight machine over there, and a bike. Are these like the Peloton ones? Because it has the large screen. Yeah, it's the Peloton ones. So if you got the Pelotonic out, you can do your Peloton stuff here. And I'm not going to go too deep because there's like kids in the pool here, but we'll give a far back overview. This is the indoor pool area. They have like a splash pad here for the kids, which is awesome. And they have like a slide over there. And like another pool right in there. They do have towels down here, of course, for you. We were just right in there. There's the 5 o'clock somewhere bar. They have a fire pit right there. I'm not going to get too close because people are in there. But they also have like cool tiki hut stuff going on here. And then like I love the little splash thing there. It's like a margarita glass. They got a couple parents. And it's like a 0 entry pool right there into the splash pad. They have a nice pool here. And they do have a hot tub right over here. Also kind of at the back of the property is where you actually park at. Plenty of parking back here. But this is super nice. They have like a lazy river here. It actually looks pretty good size. It's about 3 feet deep all the way around, so not too deep so the kids couldn't go there. And some seating around. And they have like a handicap accessible thing to help out with that. But yeah, this is a nice pool area. I like it. And right behind the whole pool complex here, they have like a nice grassy area where they can have different activities. Currently, they have cornhole set up and some Connect 4 and some Jenga over there too. But this is also the pool bar areas right up here too. They have a lot of seating up here. But I imagine you could take the drinks and go back to your seat as well. This is looking back towards the indoor pool, but they got fins to the left, fins to the right, fins up, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. That's cool. And also, like, if you're in the pool area, there's like a little path that goes up here to like another sun deck area where you can like lounge in the pool and whatnot. So that's pretty nice. Overall, this is a really nice pool complex they got here indoors and outdoors. I love it. We're back upstairs and we just noticed the pool complex is very visible from the end of our elevator. We're just like checking it out. But this gives you an overview, you know, the lazy river, the main pool, the sunning pool, and this area right here is the indoor pool right there. And Chrissy said there's our retirement homes. We can just overlook the compass anytime we want. They do have cabins back there too. Huh. I've never looked this way in Pigeon Forge, so this is all new to me. So we made it back to the room. We're just going to chill, relax, and enjoy the stay, and then we'll let you know how it is. And if we go to like the bar or anything later, we'll take you along, show you what we get. But for now, we're going to relax and enjoy the resort. Okay, well, what do we think of our day here at the Compass by Margaritaville here in Pigeon Forge, one of the newest Margaritaville properties in the Smoky Mountains? Well, I would say this is probably the best Margaritaville, and I'm not to say that because it's brand new, but like the pool complex is just enormous here. Like the indoor and outdoor pool. Like I spent probably an hour in the lazy river just floating around, and the lazy river is huge. Like, oh well, huge for the area. Like it took probably Chrissy timed it like 3 minutes for me to do one full rotation in the lazy river. So that's impressive. So I just love that. I love that they give you free breakfast here. Like this is the only Margaritaville I think in the area that will do that. So I love the layout of the room. I love the size of the room. The staff is just friendly. We did have one issue. Our bed wasn't like the sheets looked a little dirty and there was quite a bit of hair. Like I could overlook a stray hair or two, but it was like, it looked like someone got in there, brushed their hair, and there was just like literally hair all over the sheets, and there was like stains and some weird paint thing. I don't know. It was disturbing, and I don't think they changed the sheets in here. So that was our one issue, but they have only been open since November, so they're probably just working out the kinks and whatnot. So they did. Now the problem was we called them at 2:30, and we called them 3 times between 3:30 and like 8 p.m. or no, 2:30 and 8 p.m. And then we just finally went down to the front desk and told them like the situation, and then someone was up here within like 10 or 15 minutes. So that was like our one issue that we had with this place. But like honestly, the location right back here off Teaster is great. It's a little tricky turning left during busy times out of here, but turning right's not a problem. But it wasn't impossible to do. It was just like you had to wait for just a little bit extra time on the busy times. There's a lot of things within walking distance, like restaurants and stuff like that, and the Lost Mine Mountain Coaster, and they have like a putt-putt there too, and the snow tubing place is real close. So you could like theoretically just walk to like all of that without having to, you know, hop in a car and drive somewhere. And there's a lot of restaurants right here. So I don't know. The location is excellent. Have no complaints about the location of this hotel, and it's right behind the Inn at Christmas Place, which is one of our favorite hotels. I just wish they would update the rooms over there. So, but anyway, as far as Pigeon Forge hotels go, I think Heartsong might still be my favorite out at Dollywood, but this one is definitely nice if you want to be like right in Pigeon Forge and right in the action of it all, because of the pool, because of the bar, because the free breakfast, because the rooms. I mean, it's like you almost can't beat it. So if you're more of a Pigeon Forge person, I would check this place out on your next trip to the Smokies. All right. But anyway, guys, I really think this is a strong contender for like probably the top hotel in Pigeon Forge. I really do. And one we would 100% come back to if you're staying in Pigeon Forge. All right, everyone, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up here, but make sure you hang out just a little bit longer because we'll have some end cards with video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video or you just want to help keep the show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button down there. Anyway, you choose to support the channel, we really appreciate it. I'd love to know who made it this far in the video. If you did, say a new #1 hotel in Pigeon Forge down there in the comments to let me know you made it this far in the video. All right, everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.